Today we are shooting 100 random people's headshot for free in New York City.
It has been a tough year for many, with the economy and rising costs straining people's finances. To help and make a small but impactful difference, we hit the streets to offer free headshots. There is a LinkedIn statistic that says a good profile picture boosts job response rates by 76%. That's why VFlat World teamed up with Adorama to give back to a city that has given us so much.
My name's Cliff Hausner. I've been a professional photographer for 40 plus years.
Woo!
We killed it, we killed it. My favorite thing in photography is photographing people. Yeah, you like it? Not bad for a guy from New Jersey, right? I love the connection with people. I love to meet new people and see what they're about. You're a doctor?
Psychologist.
Oh, I need therapy. Oh my God, can we talk therapy?
Hello people, I'm Jason, commercial photographer in New York City. I'm here just to give it away 100 headshots for people. Anybody they want it, we're here to support them. Perfect. More, down, a little bit. Perfect, stay there.
Using a Fuji medium format camera with a 45 to 100 millimeter lens, I have Profoto lights at B10X Plus with a 3-foot softbox on it.
We're using a total of 4 V-flats, 2 as the background, 1 white, 1 black, and 2 for underneath fill light.
Guys, this video is sponsored by the new V-Flat 2.0 from VFlat World, which we're actually using in the video. This V-Flat comes with an all-new magnetic flap system, so no more Velcro, and it comes with a U-channel around the entire edge of the V-Flat to add extra protection. Now back to the video.
From the dead is a miracle, doc. They counted me out. Moment of truth, counting it down. Underdog story was down for the count. Back on my feet, back with a mic, back on the beat, back with a family that banging the streets.
Olivia, nice to meet you.
I stand with a key. Standing my ground, I am planning to flee. Standing my ground, I am planting my feet. Taking a stand, embracing my destiny, shaking his hand, flipping the script, changing the plans. Off to the top of the...
What do you do, Brian?
I'm unemployed right now.
What do you want to do?
Well, I'm also an artist.
That's my guy.
Oh, I like that.
See? I told you. Damn. I can't do anything else. I can't read or write, but I can take pictures. Okay.
What's your name?
Cliff, like jumping off. Nice to meet you. Pleasure.
Let our voices rise. Let them reach the skies. Hickory, dog. Giving them all that we got. Kick on the door. Try to knock, but nobody answered. I'm going hard and taking my chances. I keep it moving. I keep advancing. Keeping it gangster. Getting the perks and I'm happy to earn them. Mr. Ambitious, kill it, I'm vicious. Mr. Determined. Riding the storm, but focus on rainbow connections like Kermit. The water on my shoulders, it was a burden. Now I don't notice it.
What do you do for a living? Oh, you're a comedian. There you go.
Oh, dude, I want to hear some jokes.
When the big, we about to change the game. We out here taking names. Let our voices rise. Let them reach the skies. We about to change the game. We out here taking names. Let our voices rise. Let them reach the skies. We about to change the game.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. We hope that you enjoyed. We had such an awesome time shooting headshots for all these wonderful people. We shot over 100 headshots actually. Thank you to Adorama. Holiday season is coming up, by the way, and we managed to give 3 lucky winners gift cards to Adorama. Make sure to check out Adorama for amazing deals and all different types of sales of your favorite products. And also make sure to check out our V-Flat 2.0, which is going to be available for pre-order at the time of this video.